Hello everyone, that's just Penny here from the Junk Journal Ministry. Today I wanted to introduce Give a Gift, Help Send a Kid to Camp. And each time this year we have our church retreat camp, and we try to help out a family that wants to come but cannot come. So I have 2 or 3 items available. If you go to the website with the main site, all the links will be down below. But if you click on Kids to Camp, or if you click on any of those links down below, that will take you to coffee, which buy me a coffee, which the listing, you have to kind of scroll down. So this is one of the listings. It says give a gift. This is one of the listings here, and then this is one of the listings as well. This right here, my daughter and I designed and drew together. So super excited for that, to create these stickers. So if you can, I would greatly appreciate it if you check these 2 kits out. And all proceeds go to the Junk Journal Ministry and to send a kid to camp. Bye everyone, and have a blessed and wonderful day.